story. Here we go. There is a widow in the town who has a daughter. And if you haven't met this daughter, then you oughta, because she's lovelier than other girls by far. And if you know her, you can get to meet her more. The widow's daughter is young and beautiful, but the widow, oh, she's terrific. The widow's daughter is sweet and dutiful, but the widow, oh, 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 oh. The daughter's Ginger Rogers at her best. Ah, but the widow has the thing that made Mae West. The widow's daughter is young and beautiful, but the widow, oh, oh, oh. Is young and beautiful, but the widow, oh, she's terrific. The widow's daughter is tutti fruitiful, but the widow, oh, 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 oh. The daughter brings the fellas home and then, ah, but the widow is what brings them back again. The widow's daughter is young and beautiful, but the widow, oh, oh, oh.
Yes, who's there?
This is Homer. Is widow's daughter home?
No, but I am.
Who are you?
I'm the widow.
Whoa!